In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow Discord to access your photos. By the end, you'll be able to share images from your device directly into your Discord chats without any hiccups. First, we're going to work from your device's main settings, not inside the Discord app itself. Look for the Settings app on your phone or tablet, the gear icon, and open it up. This is where your device manages what each app is allowed to do. Next, head into the section that lists your installed apps. Depending on your device, it might be called Apps, Applications, App Management, or Apps and Notifications. The wording can vary a bit from one device manufacturer to another, but you're looking for the place that shows all your apps in a list. Scroll through the list until you find Discord and tap it. If your Settings app has a search bar at the top, you can simply type Discord to get there faster. Once you're on Discord's app info screen, you'll see different options related to that app. Now, go into Permissions. This is the area that controls what Discord can access on your device. You'll see categories like camera, microphone, and so on. Find Storage. On some newer Android versions, this might appear as Photos and Videos, Media, or Files and Media. Tap that option and change it to Allow. If you see choices like Allow while using the app or Allow access to photos and videos, pick the option that provides normal access so you can browse and send images from your gallery inside Discord. A quick note on privacy: granting this permission doesn't upload your entire gallery to Discord. It simply lets the app open your device's photo picker so you can choose what to share. You can always come back here and switch it off later if you change your mind. Once you've allowed the permission, close and restart the Discord app so it recognizes the change. Fully quit it. Swipe it away from your recent apps or use Force Stop in the app info screen. Then open Discord again. This refresh ensures the new permission is active. At this point, you should be able to attach a photo in Discord. Open any chat, tap the plus icon or the image button, and your gallery should appear. If it doesn't, double-check that the storage or photos permission is set to allow, and make sure you did restart the app after changing it. And that's all. You've successfully enabled Discord to access your photos, making it easy to share images with your friends and communities.